Hey guys, what's up? This is Hotshot and I would like to show you something. Yes, there are some new rules in our alliance and few people have become officers. Like it's me. Hotshot, yes, is promoted to officer and many are got kicked. So the new rules are 10k gold per week, mandatory with 1k loyalty, line app should be compulsory, and as well as 15k points in completion is mandatory with 650 points on duels, as duel is going on as well as completion. And this is our website. In the bottom you can see the living legends mcoc.weebly.com. basically it's a blog. This blog gives lot of information about how you can fight in MCOC and ways to grow, and some tips and tricks you will get to know that. Other thing I would like to share is that this is my first fighting video. I am fighting in this easy, relatively very easy story quest, but in this video you will see that how I fight. I am not fighting a hard quest in this video because while recording there is some lag, a very minute lag, and very minute lag can also be very lethal, very lethal for my champs, especially in difficult videos where I am fighting the rating higher than the recommended rating of that quest. So it's really important that fighting should go very smooth. There should be no lag in between the fight, else I won't be able to get rewards of the fights. So what I do, okay, I was unable to dodge the attack. Yeah, I am unable to. Yeah, now this time I was able to do back. Yeah, not super smooth. There is some problem. It's laggy actually. I was blocking, but yeah, I think fighting videos are not good idea because my controls are not up to the mark. They are lagging. I do give command to back off, but like this, but it goes way late. So I think if it gets late, then I lose energy. Like I lost so much energy in this fight, and this is not really good. That if I record when I'm fighting, whereas normally I get like 2 or 3 hits and I win easily. So I think that's not really a good idea for now, till I get a better device or some tricks and tweaks in my operating system of this Xiaomi Mi Pad. And actually I think if this Mi Pad operating system gets good, then I think it will be way more smooth. The fights will be way more smoother while recording, because the hardware specification is really great. The only problem is the software level. This MIUI interface is really not that good. Yes, it's laggy. I can expect few frame drops. Okay, I can win this fight easily, but yes, I'm losing much more health than one should lose in these easy fights. Let's reduce some volume. Yeah, this is enough. Okay, let's go here and explore. As completion event is going on, so I am doing completion of story quest, as I have already completed event quest, and yes, doing it again will give me points of course, but now I am exploring these events, storyline, so that I get exploration reward also side by side. So this is what we call optimization of time and energy you are spending on the game. Let's not waste energy, a single amount of energy, and time also. I could have done like heroic quest of event, and that would have given me like 3000 points each event quest I complete. But overall, this is also giving me high points per energy, so really not a big problem in that. This is quite easy also, that I am able to fight with recording also and able to talk also to you, because whatever the enemy tries, I will not die. This is really easy fights. Even if they hit me more than I hit them, I will win easily, as you can see. But still, I really want that device go smooth while fighting, so that I am able to upload my high end fights like with Thanos, with like that lady Thor, female Thor also in the heroic event. I can upload for like now easy events, but really who wants to see the easy fight in which like I am getting more hits but I am winning because I have better champs? Not a good thing. And yeah, I really want to share that I have completed all those 3 events and I'm expecting a reward, because I have heard somewhere in global that they will give reward for completing all the 3, means beginners, normal and as well as heroic. So that means as I have completed, I can expect a reward in one day, few hours more after that, because the event time is almost 30 hours left. Okay, this fight is quite smooth. Because this is easy fighting I am doing, so I should not even get one hit. But I am really unable to dodge attacks back. I should, I think, try blocking, but blocking also we lose some amount of energy, and in big fights that's not good. So dodging is really good, like it's like a perfect block only. Yes, I have no points in that dexterity, but still if you go back and someone is punching you, and if you are out of range, you will not get damaged. That's the point. Yeah, but if someone is shooting with a gun towards you, then dodge will not help. Then you need dexterity to evade the attack. Like this, dodge. Back. Come baby, come. Okay, I will go back. Oh, no. I am angry now. Get this. Okay, you want to come? Come again. Hey, I didn't use that heavy attack. That's really bad. Means commands are still bit noisy. What I'm trying to do is not actually happening, because like my hardware is like overloaded with recording as well as gaming. So I really need to look away so that I get both these things working together. Okay, now boss. Do I have that? Okay, I dropped my Winter Soldier from the fight. I should have not, but really doesn't matter. Even she will take care, Gamora. If not Gamora, Iron Fist can also beat this science champ. Then War Machine, then Wolverine, then Captain America. How many he will beat? This is a win-win condition for me, no matter what. Oh, poison activated my willpower. Then now it's a really easy fight. Give me more poison. More poison. Yes, 3, 4. Okay, again 3. Oh, 3. Yes, 3, 4. You are hitting me. Give me some poison attack. Yeah. Okay. Now this quest is finished. Let's show you the event quest completion. Load. Please get load earliest as possible. And I really hate this loading. Loading is my biggest enemy. Yes, few units I love. That's why I try to complete all the event quests, because each and every event quest, be it a beginner, normal or heroic, they give unit for completion as well as exploration. And as you know, exploration do give much more units than completion. So overall it's a good deal. Like every month event comes in and you get good amount of units from the event also. And yes, there is arena also for getting those units. These events are also really good for getting units. So as you can see, 100%, normal also 100%, and heroic also 100%. My quest is complete and I'm waiting for a new quest soon. So this is all for this video, guys. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.